Google's latest Gemini API makes it possible to build your own AI-powered social media management system. And I am watching people miss the bigger opportunity. This is not another scheduling tool. These are the building blocks you can use to create your own system instead of immediately paying for another monthly platform. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to show you the dashboard configuration that can make your client-facing reports look like they came from a professional paid platform, except you built the system yourself. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I build AI systems that replace expensive software. And this one matters because when you are starting a social media management service, adding another monthly software bill before you even have clients can eat into your margins fast. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is what nobody tells you about social media management platforms. Once you need multiple client accounts, reporting, automation, or more advanced features, those monthly software costs can add up quickly. And there is another option. Instead of renting the entire system, you can build parts of it yourself using Google's Gemini API, Google Apps Script, and the official APIs provided by supported social platforms. I call this the zero overhead social stack. The goal is simple. Keep your starting software costs as low as possible by using free tiers and tools you already have access to. Then monitor your usage as your client workload grows. You start with Google's Gemini API. That is your AI content engine. You give it the client's brand voice, audience, content categories, examples of previous posts, and content calendar structure. Gemini can then help generate captions, content ideas, campaign concepts, carousel copy, and other draft content. Gemini's API currently offers a free tier, which means smaller workloads can get started without another monthly AI subscription. If your usage grows, Google also offers paid API tiers. So this is something you need to monitor as you scale. Next, you connect Google Apps Script. This becomes your automation layer. It can pull approved content from your system, format it, and connect with supported social media APIs for publishing. Each platform has its own account requirements, permissions, and rate limits. Gemini creates the content. AppScript and the platform APIs handle the workflow around it. Think about what this means for someone offering social media management. Your content calendar lives in Google Sheets. Gemini helps create drafts. AppScript manages the workflow. Supported APIs handle publishing and reporting data. You could package that into a $300 per month service, depending on the workload and what you include. Now, most people get this far and try to show the backend to a client. That is where everything starts looking homemade. The automation might work perfectly, but the client sees a Google Sheet filled with rows, columns, IDs, and numbers. There is one additional layer you can build that changes the presentation completely. Give me 60 seconds. The missing piece is the client dashboard. AppScript can turn your backend data into a simple web app showing upcoming content, published posts, engagement numbers, and weekly summaries. You can customize the interface around the client's branding so they see a clean dashboard instead of your spreadsheet. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. The reporting layer is what makes the system look professional. AppScript can turn your collected data into charts, engagement trends, upcoming content, and performance summaries. Because the dashboard reads from your underlying data, it can update as that data changes. There are limits. AppScript has quotas. Gemini's free API tier has usage limits, and social platforms have their own restrictions. This is not unlimited infrastructure forever. The advantage is that you can start small and move into paid infrastructure when real client usage requires it. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage, trying to build something with no budget and no clients. Paying another monthly software bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could easily absorb. That is exactly why systems like this matter. You can also build an engagement workflow. Where the platform API supports it, AppScript can collect comments or engagement data, and Gemini can draft suggested responses in the client's voice. Keep a human in the loop. Routine responses can be reviewed quickly, while complaints, pricing questions, and unusual requests get flagged. Now imagine a local gym that receives comments and questions throughout the week. Your system collects the supported engagement data. Gemini prepares draft responses, anything sensitive gets flagged, the owner or social media manager reviews the drafts before they are published. You could package that higher level of engagement management into a larger monthly service. Maybe that service is $400 per month. Maybe it is more or less. It depends on how much work you are actually doing and the value you're providing. Now you can add content creation to the same workflow. Gemini can help generate captions, content ideas, carousel copy, promotional concepts, and longer posts for platforms like LinkedIn. You give it information about the client's industry, target customer, offers, brand voice, and examples of content they already like. Then you can use it to generate and organize weeks of draft content in minutes. You still review it. You still make sure the information is correct. And you still make the final decisions about what gets published. But you are no longer staring at an empty content calendar trying to write every post from scratch. That is the leverage. You do not necessarily need every feature inside an expensive social media management platform when you are starting. Sometimes you only need 5 features: content generation, a content calendar, scheduled publishing, engagement monitoring, client reporting. If you can build those pieces yourself, using the infrastructure available to you, you can create a system specifically around the service you sell. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is, the dashboard configuration. Inside Google Apps Script, you create a web app that reads the data from your scheduling and reporting system. Then you build the interface using HTML and CSS. At the top, put the client's logo and reporting period. Under that, create 4 sections. First, upcoming content. Second, recently published posts. Third, key engagement metrics. Fourth, a short AI-generated performance summary. Your underlying Google Sheet can handle the data. AppScript handles the logic. The web app handles the presentation. And Gemini can help generate the written summary based on the performance data you provide. Google gives your AppScript web app its own deployment URL. You can then build a branded front end around the dashboard, so the client gets a cleaner experience than looking directly at your spreadsheet. Build the template once. Then, when you onboard another client, you reuse the structure, connect their accounts, update the branding, configure the appropriate permissions, and customize the workflow around their service. That is the part most people miss. You are not trying to rebuild every feature inside a huge social media platform. You are building the specific features your service actually needs. Now imagine using the same reusable system across 3 different clients. Instead of buying another software seat every time you onboard someone, you clone your workflow, customize the branding, connect the client's accounts, and monitor your API usage and quotas as you scale. The opportunity here is not that Google secretly gave everyone a completely free social media management platform. They did not. The opportunity is that Gemini, AppScript, and supported social APIs give you building blocks that let you create your own lightweight system around the services you actually sell. And for someone starting with a limited software budget, that can be a very useful advantage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.